Oh, YouTube! Back again with another Pokemon's pack review. I got this Evolutions premium collection from GameStop. Look at all those Evolutions, y'all. Got Eevee, Flareon V, Vaporeon V, Jolteon V, Leafeon V. Bring it on out of here. And you got an adorable Eevee on the back. Since I got some Evolutions there. Another Eevee right there. And some more Evolutions. They're all over the place. So cool. A dance party. Hey, Mom. They're saying there's a Leafeon, and a Glaceon, Espeon, Sylveon, and an Umbreon. All the Evolutions. And the Hizzy. And that's what's under it. A nice, colorful little insert there. So cool little spin wheel. They're all Black Star promos too. Not too shabby. See if my wife was able to pull from these packs, y'all. Let's do it. Hey, Mom. A Glade Hollow Rare. Very nice. Very nice start. And a Vista card. Cause everybody's a star. How about that? And then we got this guy, Reverse Hollow. Another Reverse Hollow. An ultra rare Monkey Man. Rillaboom V. Rapid Strike. Playing his drums. Very nice, honey. Very, very nice. Sorry, y'all, I done shipped the camera twice already. Trying to get it together here. And there goes Rillaboom. Hits the floor. Very nice, honey. Radiant Gardevoir. Very nice, shiny, beautiful, honey. That's what I'm talking about. And a Vista card, cause everybody's a star. Reverse Hollow, Far-Fetched, Single Strike. Very nice, baby. Galarian Moltres V. Beautiful, honey. That's what I'm talking about. It's so cool. That like pinkish red. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. That was just the first side, y'all. Do it one more time. Got some code cards for you too at the end of this video. I remember. If I remember. Okay, you got them all on the one side. The code cards. Let's do it. And the shoulder with some Kanto Love and the Hizzy. Rapid Strike. And very nice Hollow Rare Dragapult. Fusion Strike. Fusion. And then we got a Wormadam. Reverse Hollow. Another Reverse Hollow. It's playing in the snow. And a Hollow Rare. Magnezone. And a V-Star card. Cause everybody's a star. How about that? Gift Energy. Nice. First Hollows. And a Reverse Hollow. Not too shabby. Very nice, honey. Very, very nice. And there's the Eevee Evolutions Premium Collection code card for you. And here we got Chilling Reigns. Code card giveaway. 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 Alright, ladies and germs, children of all ages, to the next Pokemon's pack reveal. Peace.